The holidays are a time for great food, and you would like to find a great side dish recipe that will complete your table. Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, we have a great side dish recipe for you with asparagus potato au gratin. So let's get started. Let's make the cream sauce. Salt and pepper makes everything taste better. Now let's build the dish. Set your timer for 90 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Asparagus has been grown for thousands of years and is valued as both food and medicine since ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. Egyptians depicted asparagus in their art. Greeks considered asparagus to be sacred and have medicinal value. Romans developed methods to prepare and transport asparagus efficiently. Today, asparagus can be found worldwide. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Wow, this asparagus potato au gratin is baked to perfection with a golden crust and irresistible flavor. Please leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like your table is complete. Stay with us, watch the next videos.